My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. These are a lot nicer in person than I thought they would be. Today we do have Notre Dunks dropping. This is quite an important release, and because of that I have a feeling that bots really aren't going to be working all that well. I did it. Let's go, got one. Today we have some Yeezy 700s dropping. Don't have very high hopes for this because they're not dropping on foot sites. I suck on Shopify and I am banned on Yeezy supply. My entire zip code is banned on Yeezy supply, and there is a way to bypass that. I'm not 100% sure if it works, but I'll give it a try. Let's see how many we end up with on the next episode. Alright, the first drop is in about 1 minute. I really hope my Gmails aren't crap. I haven't tested these at all, so they're probably gonna suck. Hopefully that's not the case though.
Depot on the beat.
Oh my god, I didn't click one. Oh, I'm so rusty. I'm moving so slow, it's not even funny. The captures were okay. I'm not going to lie, I was moving slow. That was slowest I've solved like these captures in a while. It has been quite a bit since I've properly done anything Shopify related. Alright, next up we have Yeezy supply. Not expecting much since my zip code is banned, but we're gonna be trying some things, see if we can get around that. Apparently the stock is 1600. I really don't think I'm gonna get this. I don't think I'm gonna get a single pair, to be honest, dude. That stock is really low. Dude, that is super fast. That legit flew. Oh, now I'm passing Splash now that it's sold out. Oh my god, bro. You're messing with me. Bro, this sold out way too fast. I think I just got unlucky with the queue. Like, I think that's all it is, really. The last chance for me to get these are going to be on Shopify websites in about 10 minutes. We just gotta hope that we get these, but it's not looking very likely. Oh my god, dude, I got one. No way, bro. Let's go. We were able to end the day with a checkout for the Yeezy 700 Suns, size 10. It's not the best size, but considering that these were actually super hard to get, I'll take it, you know, I'm pretty happy with that. I was able to hit 2 Jordan 1 biohacks. They restocked on Shoe Palace last night. They had so much freaking stock. So nice little bonus, I'm pretty happy about that. These no trade dunks came in the mail today. This pair of shoes are super duper clean. However, the materials that they used on it makes me believe that these might not be shoes that age really well. Like, you know, if you like skate in them or you wear them very heavily, I'm not sure if this would age like fine wine. So because of that, I think they're nice. I think they're alright. However, I'm not super duper crazy about these as I initially thought I would be. Anyways, today we do have New Balances dropping a little bit later on. Those shoes look really nice, but the bad part is that it has such a high retail price, which would basically cut into profit margins. But these are expected to do pretty well, so we're still gonna go for them. Alright, I didn't even have a chance. Somebody mentioned that the stock is 17. I'm not sure if that's true, but it definitely felt like it was true. I'm going through the checkout logs of the bots that I normally use for Shopify, which is Balko, Cybersole, AIO, and I didn't see a single checkout. This is one of those drops where it's basically impossible to get. Next up, we have Stussy Air Force 1s at about 1 p.m. EST. These are also going to be very, very limited. However, I feel like my chances on these would be better. Either way, I'm probably not going to be able to get these, but I will be trying my best. Hopefully, we can come out with at least one W. Come on. Dude, I'm stuck, bro, on the queue. That makes no sense. Basically, they had no bot protection, and I was set up for like pretty heavy bot protection. Why would they have no bot protection for a drop as important as this? That's my question. Looks like a lot of people made the same mistake, but some people in cyber chat are saying, oh yeah, the people that don't know how to bot are the ones that cop. I know for sure who didn't cop are the manual users. That would have been impossible. Alright, so today there were 2 drops that were basically impossible to get. So that was quite unfortunate, but that's okay. On to the next one. Also, unfortunately, there aren't any more drops for the rest of the month, but February, things should be really heating up as far as what drops are coming out. Let's see how we do on those on the next episode.